While mixing, one of the facts to consider is what makes this audio material be hearable in the whole mix. So in this example, I have this Arped bass. As you can hear, it's like it doesn't exist. And I already have a couple of lines to support bass. So I want to go with a different approach for this specific channel. I will add an amplifier and we will hear the result. So let's check in the whole mix. Now it has a role to play and it sounds better and fills those mid-range frequencies in the side with some excitement and movement. So have fun. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.